3, 2, 1, yes.
Good morning, my name is Leon. I'm from GlamXperience. I'm standing in front of one of our safari tents, and one single problem we sometimes have with these tents is that the zipper breaks down. Well, we use very sturdy, very strong YKK zippers, and if you use them normally, they can never break. The thing is, if you don't use them normally, like anything, you might end up with a broken zipper, and that happens if you don't use the zipper or the pull cord itself, but if you open the tent like this, and if you do that aggressively enough, in the end, within a few years, it might happen that the zipper breaks. If that happens, we have a very quick fix. We just send over a replacement zipper, like this one. You get the buttons, I don't know the right name for it, but you get these buttons included. You use the existing Velcro. Well, you start at the top. You fix this one side, you fix the Velcro on the other side, and now you can see where the buttons should be going. And there's two parts. One is already fixed to the zipper, and the other one has to go through the canvas, and then it's totally fixed. You can use only the Velcro, but you know, again, maybe in time it's better to use the push buttons as well, especially if people still open the tent in the wrong way and use zippers in the wrong way. But yeah, that's a good solution. You look where the button has to go through the canvas, and it's just using a little drill, maybe 5 mil. This one is 3 mil. But you can see, okay, it's over here, and you just make a little hole through the canvas. You get the button, and as you can see, you push it through, use a little bit of force, and then on the other side, this is the nut, you screw that on there. And then afterwards you can use the button completely, and then it's fixed. You do that with all the buttons, and then you have a replacement zipper. Thank you very much.
3, 2, 1, yes.
Well, I just explained how you put in a replacement zipper, how to install it. But another very popular option is, hey, forget about the zippers. Total, and just put in a glass sliding door. And as you can see, what we did here is just put up a frame, we connect it to the tent frame. Sometimes we flat it depends on the customer, but then you have your own sliding door. And the big plus of that is, of course, that you can really lock the door. Plus we can really, because you don't open the complete front anymore, we can also seal the slick side over there, so no insects or mice can come in, for example. So yeah, this completely sealed front, still through the big windows, it looks very open, it's still very inviting. You still experience the outdoors, and yeah, it is a big plus. It solves all your zipper problems.